Welcome to Ziawa Mzansi. Thank you very much for tuning in and for watching this video that I've uploaded today. In fact, namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi sike sixoxe kancane ngalento le yenzeke lapha e-OD Correctional Center. Asike sibheke nje izinto ezenzeke emajele. How safe are we la ngaphandle looking at how izinto zenzeka ngakhona lapha phakathi ejele? You know, the only thing that is interesting about this whole thing ile ukuthi phakathi ejele we are sitting here outside thinking ukuthi, you know, the people who are behind bars who are a problem la ngaphandle njengoba bahleli ngaphakathi, all the things that they are doing, ama-rights wabo would be limited in such a way that kunezinto ekungeke basazithola ebebazithola la ngaphandle. But after watching how things went down laphayana e-OD Correctional Center, I was surprised because some of the inmates were found with ama-designer sneakers, they were found with ama-cell phones, they were found with ama-drugs, izinto ezifana njengensango, nani futhi kutholakale nama-cell phones, kutholakale nama-Wi-Fi router, meaning that these guys were really connected lapha ngaphakathi, you know. You see lana, you see these officials were doing their job, doing the raids, searching the cells and everything. And izinto abazitholile, look at these. Ama-cell phones wonke lawo, ma-cell phones. And the funny part is that kutholakale nalama Wi-Fi router, you know. And this thing is okumangaza. And the funny part is that while this thing was going on, one of the cell phones, lezi ezitholakale la, it started ringing, and the ID caller, it was written my everything. Yo, that was a bad timing for whoever was calling the guy ukuthi receive that call. And unfortunately, makutholakala izinto ezifana nalezi, that means you are penalized while ungaphakathi, because it's an offense, you know. Omunye umhlaba lo, ijele omunye umhlaba kufana nala ngaphandle. Mawula ngaphandle you can do stuff, and then but mawule ngaphakathi ama-rights are limited. Izinto ezifana nama-cell phones like this azifuneki le ngaphakathi. But these guys, they own everything. You'll find ukuthi they have ama-TVs, because even last year there was a similar incident whereby there was a raid, I think it was December if not November, and there were PS5, batholakala ama-PS5, PlayStation. That thing is so expensive. Even abantu abala ngaphandle, some of us, we can't even afford that thing because it's so expensive. It ranges from 10 to 15k ukuthi uyithole. Imagine itholakala ejele, and it was two of them. So that shows ukuthi these guys lapha ngaphakathi, they are well connected and well resourced. Thina la ngaphandle, we are sitting here thinking ukuthi those guys ama-rights wabo limited, but only to find ukuthi yonke lento esiyicabangayo ayikho ngale ndlela esicabanga ngayo. You see, even naseyindabeni Newsroom Africa, it posted this thing while it was happening, because the footage is live. You see, after baqeda ukubasearcha, where they go and line up like this while the officers are going inside to search ama-cells, and that's where they found some of the stuff that was found by these officers. And in as much as it is painful to see this thing happening, because think of it, you are sleeping 2 a.m. or maybe at midnight, and then the doors start banging, and then they open the doors, and then banisa ngeenyawo nonke nikhishelwa ngaphandle, niyasearchwa nala inilele khona, yonke yona vele ibuhlungu, but it's necessary ukuthi yenzeke because it ensures ukuthi thina la ngaphandle siba safe kangakanani. Because you remember there was an incident that Lusikisiki 18 where the guy wabulala abantu nge-rifle about 18 eLusikisiki. You remember that story? And it was discovered ukuthi that thing was orchestrated from behind bars. And izinto ezinjengaleza-ke mazenzeka, it's very much painful because kwaswelakala imiphefumulo eminingi ngesimanga sabantu ebebaboshiwe bangaphakathi, you know. So izinto ezinjengalezi man zi-painful and zibuhlungu mawuzibona zenzeka. So hey, this is the video that I had for you for today. Anginako nje okuningi, yabo, anginako okuningi. Bengifuna nje sike sixoxe nje ngalezi zinto ezenzeka la ukuthi thina la ngaphandle, let's say there's someone owenze a crime, ne, and this person uyaqala manje uyaboshwa, bekahlupha ku-community, sonke siyamazi. Mase kale ngaphakathi, do you think ukuthi justice isevekile, the justice has been served, isigebengu singaphakathi, or do you think ukuthi that person makayele ngaphakathi, well, he's going to be introduced to a new world where he's going to be starting to live a life that is different to the life bekayiphila la ngaphandle? Angazi wena ume kuphi, because mina the way ngifila ngakhona when I see stuff like this happen, into engiyinotisayo ukuthi la bantu le ngaphakathi abahlalanga kabuhlungu ngalendlela thina sicabanga ngayo. In fact, izinto zabo, yes, they are limited some of the things, but ilife yabo iyaflowa as much as beyiflowa la ngaphandle. So I don't know what's your take on that, but if you have anything to add or anything to say, you can drop me. You can hit me up in the comment section and let's keep this conversation going. Ucabanga ukuthi these guys njengoba balapha ngaphakathi, is the justice being served or kwenzakalani? I just want to hear your thoughts on the matter, because for me now, imagine someone ongene lapha ngaphakathi for something like murder, ne? Okay, ulapha ngaphakathi, omunye ungene laphana for something like udlwengulile, into enjengaleyo. Do you think ukuthi ijustice isevekile masekale ngaphakathi? Because for me, I don't think ukuthi isevekile, because even if angaphuma labantu abalimele la ngaphandle, that doesn't mean ukuthi automatically because yena sekalapha ngaphakathi izinto sezishintshile, yonke into right, it's smooth and what not. Mina nje ngibona kuseseyinkinga because yona i-correctional service, it serves as a means yokuthi abantu baseve i-sentence. It's their way of punishing them ngomthetho, but i-punishment yakhona for mina, I see it as something as null and void. But you might have a different opinion about that. So I'm going to end this video right here now, and hit me up in the comment section, and I would love to hear ukuthi wena ngesingabo ucabangani, yini mhlambe engenziwa to improve izinto the way zenzeka ngakhona, i-system the way it-treata ama-inmates ngakhona. What do you think is happening? What do you think should be happening? Hit me up in the comment section and let's keep it going. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.